This is the Front Runner Slimsport roof rack on my 2012 Toyota 4Runner, and this rack is awesome. It's huge. It could fit everything I want at the moment. I've got my these carriers for my paddleboard around the back. I've got the double jerry can holder and some cargo chocks for a roof rack. I ended up drilling into the car to make this more secure instead of just having like the 3M double stick. I definitely feel a little bit safer having that. This wind deflector, completely silent. I haven't heard any wind noise from this, and I've driven in some pretty windy places recently. We're up here in Oregon and the weather hasn't been the best. So let me give you a look up top here. I've got all the accessories off at the moment so you can see the rack. Low profile, flat slats. So much fun to have these. I could rest my toolboxes on top when I was installing these. Everything just kind of goes on really easily, just kind of stays up there. These chocks, I didn't know if I really needed these, but I do when I had the wolf pack up, and I'll do another video of that. It was just super secure. Famous quote, it's not going anywhere when it's up there. And I'm loving these paddleboard carriers. Didn't worry at all about getting the paddleboard up there, driving it around. The stratchets went through there, and it just tied right down. So this thing is pretty cool. And a little hard to keep this clean when I've got this thing parked under my tree, but other than that, it's gorgeous. It looks good. I get lots of compliments on it, and I'm pretty happy with this rack.